I've always been interested throughout my degree in how people interact in public spaces and how spaces are designed to allow people to do that. My job is to mature cheese, and I've been taking that interest into my degree. I think the cheese industry, especially artisan cheese, can be quite exclusive. I wanted to step away from that. I've been exploring how you can actually make the cheese maturing process a social concept, inspired by concepts like allotments. So the idea is to have a cheese making, maturing intervention that goes into cafes or schools or social places like that. I'm calling it a mobile cheese cave. So I've built the structure that allows that to happen, along with a scale model of E5 Bakehouse, which is a bakery in Hackney that I used as kind of like a conceptual site. So I carried out a lot of research there and made the design bespoke for that space, but can also be used for different spaces in the future.